Please get ready for a dictation of transcription number 107 from Sir Kailash Chandra magazine. 5 seconds. Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, I have to thank honorable members for the kind words that they have said about the government in the course of the discussion this afternoon. This is an occasion of more than ordinary significance. The political history of India had many vicissitudes, and this particular day will be remembered as placing another milestone in our progress towards an ideal state. There have naturally been many storms, and we have had to pass through considerable stress and strain. Yet it is a great pleasure to me to tender my felicitations to the honorable members of the House. During the last 10.5 months, the country had been resounding with the echoes of the States Reorganization Commission, the proposals made by it, the various claims put forward by individual groups and government, and the comments and criticisms made by innumerable persons from the press, from the public platforms, from the floor of the legislatures, and ultimately from the floor of the two houses of Parliament itself. It is a matter of gratification. I would submit almost one of unique character, that in spite of all the vicissitudes through which the bill had to pass, ultimately the form which it has assumed and which represents the fruits of the collective wisdom of the two houses of Parliament, has the support, almost the unanimous support of both the houses. I would like honorable members just to place before themselves the picture of the new map of India. So far, we had a large number of states. Perhaps there were 20 states besides some other territories, but now we will have only 14 states and 4 territories, besides the Andamans, the Nicobars, and the Lakshadweeps. The citizens of this country will be living in the states and only less than 2% or just near about 1% will be living in the centrally administered areas. It is worth considering now whether we have not really succeeded in evolving a scheme of which we all can well be proud if honorable members will consider the case of each individual state. They will find that almost unanimity had been reached except in the case of Ahmedabad in Gujarat. If you take one state after another, you will find that almost all people in the country have now accepted the scheme that is contained in this bill. Stop.